Scott Taylor Motorsport Garage. The weekend they've executed so far has been outstanding all the way through. Lots of laps for all three drivers.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Trucking with CJ. Going back through all of this footage was so much fun. I felt like I was reliving the whole week. And I'm so excited that I now get to share this all with you guys. So this episode is all about my experience at the Bathurst 12 hour. So this is going from Tuesday all the way through to Sunday. So we have a lot to cover here. I just want to do a really special shout out to Scott Taylor himself and the whole team of Scott Taylor Motorsport who made me feel so welcomed and part of a family during this week. What a way to kick off the 2026 race season. I also want to say a huge shout out to all of you watching this. Every person who subscribed, all your likes, comments and reshares go so far in supporting my channel. And if you haven't seen part one, pause it here, go back and watch part one. Part one is the journey from the Gold Coast through to Bathurst. And then this episode is all about race week. So not so much trucking, more about racing. I appreciate you guys. I am so excited. I hope you like this as much as I do. And I can't wait to see you in the next episode. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you to it. Hope you enjoy the episode. See ya.
$165,000 about 14 years ago and probably worth $400,000 today.
Oh my gosh.
Straight back, mate.
Yeah, you good? Yeah, mate.
Yeah. Straight. A little bit left. Straight. Over there.
Perfect. Half a centimetre off the cover.
Switch over the power from generator to thin air.
It's already unloaded, so I'm just standing.
Brake on. Just get
Tension.
I tried to ring you, but yeah.
up even more from your time.
Yeah. Sorry, mate.
Sorry. No, they're great cars. They'll be black. $100 grand.
Em, can you put that back in the car? What? Not on video. Left. No, they right. Yeah.
I'm the first one.
Good morning. morning. What day is today?
Thursday.
And what's on the agenda today?
On the agenda today is we're at the Bathurst 12-hour going track to town today. Go!
I'll just spray this for you and just try and get in between those.
Yeah, but I don't know.
No, I should be right.
Avoid my Scott.
Cool. Aren't we lucky? Oh, that smells real good.
Drive shaft back to the diff. So this has what's called a transaxle at the back. So it goes from the engine through the clutch into a torque tube, which is a big tube, very, very strong tube, and then through that is the drive shaft that goes in the center of it. The aero and the downforce and stuff happens. So this is kind of splits the air. So air will go underneath the car.
Yeah.
And see how flat the floor is? That's just for the best possible aerodynamics.
Wow.
Inside of this part of the rotor. So then you see these veins here?
Yeah.
So that directs the air out of the rotors and that cools all of the rotor. And then we've got another one on this side that cools inside the disc and also to the brake caliper and the pads.
Man, I'm going to be an expert by the end of this week.
Flow of air through here, through the radiator over the bonnet. That's all just adds to the aerodynamics of the car. 1-3. None of these buttons are working.
Hello. It's Friday morning and the team is out doing practice at the moment and I'm hiding away in the trailer because it's cold and I just want a minute. It's been a pretty crazy few days since we've been here, setting up, getting used to all this race stuff. I feel like I'm a little bit out of my depth just because this is my first race with the team, but in saying that, everyone in the team is so lovely, so welcoming, and I feel like I've been a part of the team for so long, which is a bit of a contradiction. I think people are coming.
She's got filter. That's all the marble that comes off the tyre.
Oh.
They get straight into the track. When the tyres are so hot, they pick it back up. So you have to scrub the tyre when we're out there wheel sweep to get that back off. Because it feels like you've got a wick, like a flat tyre, or There's a wheel out of
So
balance.
this is just build up.
Yeah, that's just rubber that's flowing off tyres, it's laying down the track. But if you go offline, you'll see as the weekend goes on, you see how much rubber is actually laid to the track. So that can provide grip too. They talk about over the weekend the track rubbers up.
Yeah.
That's because so they spend a road circuit and rain and dirt, shit all over it. And then as the weekend goes on, the track rubbers up and then we get more grip, so we tend to go faster and faster as the weekend goes on.
Making some mods to Scott's helmet, just where the drink bottle tube and the wiring goes through the padding. It runs through these little cavities in the front there. So we're just making that a little bit bigger, just to make it all sort of a bit smoother and less sort of tight on Scott's head.
Yeah.
Just make it a bit more comfortable for him.
And then you were saying about the microphone, where that is?
Yeah, so the microphone sits here, so that's how Scott talks to us when he's in the car. So we have it as close to his mouth as possible, just so that it's nice and clear and we can hear him. And then there's also a little drink bottle tube here, so he can have a drink while he's out on track.
Is it a small, medium or big kit? I think we got large ones.
Nah, it's a medium.
Yeah, right. So here we are, we're doing what we call a seat pour. So we've got Chaz Mostert, who's the tallest of the boys. So all boys are all different shapes, sizes and weights. And so Chaz initially didn't think that he needed a seat, but he's sitting pretty low in this Mercedes-Benz car is actually what we call a safety cell. So that is fixed into the car. It's a protection system for the driver, especially spinal injuries, because we're going so fast in these cars. And so the steering wheel and the pedals all move towards him. So Chaz doesn't move from when he's strapped into that in what's called a 5-point harness. So he's held in with 5 seat belts, goes between his legs, comes over his shoulders, goes around his torso. And so in the bucket, as we call it, or the seat, or the safety cell, we need to pour foam into a mould, which is a plastic sheath. We're going to pour that in there. We're going to get Chaz all comfortable in his race suit, as if he would be. He'll sit there for maybe 5 or 7 minutes while the 2-part epoxy dries, and then we'll take him out, and then we'll trim up, and we will finesse the foam pour that we're doing for him. So effectively, we're making a seat in a seat, and then we'll cover it to be legal in fireproof material. So that's what happens. Drivers don't like doing this because they don't like sitting in one place for too long. And so here's an sample of different things. You see mostly back support, and it's moulded exactly because our bodies are all different shapes. So that's Cam's. Here's Thomas's. Who's got the bigger muscles? I'm not sure. But, if we go for a drive down the street in our normal road car, it's pretty easy. It's cushioned, but we're not doing 300 kilometres an hour, and we're not getting thrown around. There's a lot of G's happening in these cars, both in acceleration, side and braking. So you can actually get bruised, and I used to get out and wonder where all the bruises came from. It was because the seat wasn't fitting tight enough for me, and my legs were flopping around and my arms were flopping around. So it's important that we're comfortable. Hang on a sec, Chaz wants to have a word to us. G'day, Jazz. How you going in there?
G'day there, Scotty. I tell you what, when you're a young fella and a race car driver, you just get in and drive whatever. But when you become a dad and you get into your 30s, we start to talk about a thing about comfort. And I need some more comfort.
Well, that's what we're doing. We're delivering some more comfort, and we're going to make his own. It's going to be a Chaz seat.
We're all about keeping everyone happy, right?
Yeah, that's what it is. That's what we're here for.
That's what the boss wants. He just wants a result, so we're going to do everything.
And we mean everything.
Look at it all expanding. How do you get out now?
Count of 3, could you shout out your favourite driver's name? First name, right? 1, 2, 3.
Where is it? So people today are freaking out.
I finally found a book that I can read.
That's my book.
Thank you for writing a book that is aimed at me.
You're so welcome.
He was good out of there, wasn't he?
Oh, it's good, yeah.
Today is Saturday and we're here at Bathurst. We are doing something really exciting today. We're actually selling merch, which Scott Taylor Motorsport normally doesn't do, but we're doing it for a good cause. We're raising money for prostate cancer. So all proceeds are going to the Prostate Cancer Foundation. So come over and we'll show you what kind of things we've got for sale. So we're selling these t-shirts for $50, and cowboy hats as well, some caps, some beanies, some stubby collars. It's very exciting because this is not something that normally happens. But the people are loving it, we're loving it, and it's a good way to interact with the crowds here. So just another great day at the track. So what is the plan for today?
To sell.
To sell, and we're raising money. So on track, what's the plan today? What have we got going on?
So hopefully today we're going to try and see who's the fastest out of each practices. We've just done practice 5, I think. And probably it was Chaz, and then out of the most consistent driver, he does whoever gets to do qualifying is our upper bracket, which is part 2, and then there's the top 10 shootout.
And we're hoping to be in that, aren't we?
Yeah, which will probably happen. So
today's qualifying, and then whoever, whatever we qualify is where we start tomorrow, and tomorrow's a big day, big 12 hour.
Big 12 hour, so.
But the weather's good, the crowds are getting bigger, aren't they? Mm-hmm. And we're just having a great time?
Yeah.
All right. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Yay. Thanks. Oh, you're wearing one of my hats.
Yeah, I got your shirt. She's got your shirt.
Oh my god.
I have a hat too.
She has a hat.
I don't wear the hat.
All right, should we come over here? Hi.
You'll see yourself.
That's it. All right. Really lovely. Nice big smile. Amazing.
Good.
I mean, we've still got the Super Bowl to go, so great to be in that.
I was.
Sam's done a ripper job there. But, it's a team effort. Got to thank everyone.
Oh, it's something new.
You don't have any sharpening in your shop.
I do.
Oh. It's Saturday afternoon and we've done qualifying and we got the fastest qualifying. So now we are in the top 10 qualifying. We're just about to go out, and Ollie and I thought we'll just check in and give you guys an update. So what have we been up to today?
So we've actually been up to fundraising, and I just want to give a big shout out to Lara Lowndes. She does this every year at the Bathurst 12 hour. And online we've raised $63,500, and today in total, combining with stuff that we did today, would be about $75,000, so pretty high.
Yeah, so Scott Taylor Motorsport don't do merch typically, but they did a special print run of t-shirts, hats, beanies. We had some bandanas, which we had for sale today, with all proceeds going to the Prostate Cancer Council Foundation. And to see people's reactions when they knew that this is what we're raising money for was really, really cool, wasn't it?
Yeah, and watch out for the 222. It's gonna be a 1, baby.
In case you haven't figured this out already, Ollie is going to be a future commentator of all motorsport. He is only 10 years old and he has got it in his blood. He is educating me so much. I know a lot about trucks, well, a reasonable amount about trucks, but Ollie, for 10 years old, is an absolute expert at motorsport. We can meet each other today, aren't we?
I hope you guys see this video. You can see Trucking with CJ on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. So go follow it or subscribe, and that's it. See ya. Bye-bye.
0.41. Suspect the condition.
Oh, that's really cool.
Nice. Now. Break. Break. Oh, you're gonna break quite hard. Yeah.
Okay, that one's...
Make sure you go down and stick you too when you go down there.
Enjoyed this though, that was good.
Yeah, the Mercedes is fun. The mountain's fun.
This Saturday night, I'm tired. We've just hung out the races suits. The others are inside cooking pasta and prepping food for tomorrow. Tomorrow we've got to get up really early. We need to be out of the house by 3:45. We need to be at the track by 4. And then it's like a huge day. So at the track by 4, we've got a 12-hour race. Then we've got to pack everything up into the trailers, and then I'll leave first thing Monday morning. Hopefully these will dry overnight. Yeah, what an experience this is. I'm well and truly tired now. I don't know how the mechanics and the engineers do it because they are incredible with the hours that they put in at these events. I'll see you in the morning. So it is 4:27. We'll go see what's happening with breakfast. Oh, that looks great. Do you need any help at all? All right. What's that? Oh, that's so cute. Morning, how are ya? The prep.
It's 4:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
4:30 in the morning, and I'm just getting, Brad sorting me out, loosening up the joints.
All right. Well, just sing out if you need anything. You're all right.
But other than that, trying to just keep as long as we can. How was your lap? I didn't.
Good morning, Thomas Randall. Starting on pole, and you said, man, it's dark out there. There were cars in front of you on that outlap. How did
As well, Baz, Scott Taylor Motorsport, put an amazing car together, but it's still not.
Scott Taylor Motorsport Garage, the weekend they've executed so far has been outstanding all the way through. Lots of laps for all 3 drivers. Maxi Goats on the outside, on the inside of Thomas Randall. 2 years in a row, and there's dramas in the background on the exit of 2.
Close one.
And directions essentially from there will follow. And as that pulls up.
Pack up time. Thank you.
The Repco Supercars Championship starts next weekend, and I think these guys may have started a week early. Oh no, they got into each other.
Hit the wall, broken.
Ojeda has got into the wall.
They're both gone. They're both badly damaged. Wow. And if this is a safety car, it changes the day.
Yeah, it will be. Ojeda can't get going. I'd say it's...
And just like that, our race weekend was done. What an emotional roller coaster that was, from the happy tears on Saturday of qualifying first and getting pole to then getting taken out in the last hour. I couldn't believe it. But despite all that, the team put their emotions aside and just got stuck straight into packing up. I have never seen anything quite like it. The team worked so well together, and despite the huge long hours, there was no arguments. Everyone just banded together and did what had to be done to get everything packed up, and not one single person left until it was all said and done. I am so grateful for this week. It was just really cool to be part of such a cool team and to feel so welcomed. The fact that the guys never once made me feel insecure or embarrassed about having my cameras out. Filming all the behind the scenes was so cool, because now look at what I got to share with you guys. I hope I have given you a really good behind the scenes and given you some insight into a world that you may not know too much about. I'm so excited for the rest of the season and to be a part of this team, and I can't wait to bring you along on that journey as well. So as always, please support my channel by subscribing, commenting, liking, resharing. So grateful for all of you, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. All right guys, see ya.